G'day guys, how you going? Hope you're all doing well. Today we've got the Ford Falcon and I want to show you all how you can remove your side guard indicator. And I hope this video helps for anyone out there if you've got a burnt out bulb, or that your coating on the bulb is flaking off, or maybe even your lens has fallen off and you want to remove it to fix your problem there. Now you can actually get to it from the outside, but you've got to be careful because you can actually end up scratching the paint. So I'll show you all today how you can get access to it from behind. So you need to remove the plastic lining here, and there are a bunch of these little plastic screwable clips, 1 and 2 here. You've got 2 right under this section there, and then all the way along in the middle you'll find 1 here, another one here at the top, 1 here on the side, and then across the side of the bumper there. And yours may have the front bumper under shield, so you might need to remove that to remove the whole of the lining guard. And this is what the plastic screwable clips look like. You've got to be very careful when you're removing them, but this is a little set of trim removal tools that I've got, and I was able to very slowly and carefully pop these out, jimmying them around left and right. And with all of those clips out the way, I'll just show you all how I went with actually removing the liner itself. It kind of dislodges from the bumper. It's kind of hooked in under the top of the guard here, and you can actually just pull it straight out and straight down. With that done, we can now remove it. As I mentioned, you may need to disconnect yours from the under the bumper under shield, but here we go. Here we can see this is the back casing of the indicator housing, and there's a little plastic tab, and once you depress and push this tab towards the back of the car, it then releases the actual tightness that it has seating into the guard. So you give that a bit of a push, you can start to wiggle it from the outside, give it one more little bit of a compress, and that's it, out it pops. And this is what it looks like. Just a little closer here, you can see that little plastic tab, and you've just got to kind of push it towards the back of the car, downward, and that then releases it from its seated but locked in position. So one more time, just to show you all from the inside. We'll grab our torch out, and you can do this with just your bare hands. You just push that little clip in, that little tab, and then you can see, perfect, it just pops straight out. Now, to make life a bit easier, to show you all, I actually disconnected the wiring harness from the bulb holder. So you can just remove that harness by lifting up the tab there, and that just pushes straight out. And then the actual bulb holder itself that goes into the housing, just lefty-loosey, and you'll be able to remove the bulb and the bulb holder from the housing. Beautiful, look at that, how crispy and crunchy. Alright, so here I wanted to show you where you can remove it. It's just a T10 globe, and go and get yourself a new one. I had a decent spare, so that's all I had for the time being. I'll chuck that in. Now you want to make sure that when you put it in, you're wearing gloves. You don't really want to get any of your finger grease on the actual globes. Here, this is the next best thing, wiping off as much of the finger grease there with the old t-shirt. But once you've got your bulb in place, you can just slot it straight in and turn it till it clicks, and then you're able to just plug in the wiring harness, and that clicks in place. And with that done, you can just push it straight in, clicks into place. Perfect. So let's go test with the hazards. Beautiful. So we've got a good working globe, all the wiring's all good, nice. And that's it, guys, easy as that. Hope the video helps. You've got to flick it for luck. Nice. Alright guys, cheers, catch you all on the next one.